Hello, kia ora, welcome to Molly Makes. Today we are going to make kitty cat purses. You will need some felt. Now you can use any colour you like. I'm using pink. So this piece here is 4 inches across by 4.5 inches up. So that's 4.5 inches by 4. This piece is 4 inches and it's 4.5 inches to that point, so that piece sits on top. And then these ears from here to there is 7 inches, so they're just a little bit longer. Now you'll also need some scissors, some little bits of string that will be the whiskers, a black felt triangle for the nose, 2 other little ear pieces that sit inside, so any colour you like, just a little bit smaller than, just cut them a little bit smaller than the original ears. Some string. Now this piece is 12 inches long. 2 googly eyes. And some plastic rhinestones. Now we're going to start off with this piece. And we need to cut some little slits across here and here to put the ribbon through at the end. Now I'm just going to mark with a pen and show you where to cut them. Now just use your scissors and just cut those. So that you've got little holes in there. Now today I'm going to hot glue this together, but normally I would sew them. So this is what you do if you have a sewing machine and you want to sew it. You just sew those 3 sides, leaving the top open, and you've got your little holes there at the front and back. But we're using a hot glue gun today. So I'm going to stick it that way down so you can't see the black pen marks. So just make sure the holes are at the top. Leave that open. Now we're going to glue our eyes on. Our whiskers and nose. And we're going to put some rhinestones down the bottom here. Our ears. And then we've just got to put the ribbon through. So we start at the front. And we go like that. And go to the back. Now to the front again. And then we just tie a knot in there to close it. There we have it.
Thanks for watching. Please just let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like to see me make. Bye!